Okay, this is going to be my attempt at showing you how to do some lavender. I've mixed up a kind of a olive green by using the green that's next to my blue up in there, and then I add a little orange to it, so it's not just quite as grass green, but more a little bit of an olive tint to it. All right, and I'm going to start by making a few of those little C-shaped stems real lightly, just here and there. Okay, and try not to be just so worried about them that you that they're so exact. Try to be as free as you can with it. And then I'm going to add a few little leaves. And for this leaf, this is my number 3 brush. You could use a 4 or 6 too. I'm going to make lavender have a little bit longer leaf, so I'm going to start here and go up and swirl like that. And I'm not doing the double shape for that, although you could. Okay, so these stems most likely would do like this. Now, while I've mixed up also some purple, I did kind of a grayish purple a little bit. I mixed it with a little bit of blue, just a tiny bit, and I made it real diluted on this side, and then this one is just the true purple out of the thing. And I'm going to get this gray one first. I want to use the lightest one first, and I'm just going to put some little dabs here and there. And I'm not trying to make, I'm trying to kind of spread it out a little bit, so if you want to use a larger brush for this, you certainly could. In fact, I'll go ahead and switch to a number 6 so that I can make a little bit larger splotches that here and there. This is kind of the background of it. Then I'll add some more color to the top of that. Again, I'm not trying to be real precise with my dots or anything. I want to add, this is kind of the shadows of the lavender. Then I'm going to go back and pick up a little bit. I'm going to move some of this purple. I'm going to move it over into here. So it's a little bit darker, but not my darkest purple yet. And I'm going to add some contrast. Get my brush just a little bit wetter. If everything's the exact same shade, it's not very interesting. So you want to add some lights and darks and mediums in there. Okay. And now I'm going to go back with a clean brush and not quite as wet so that I can get it straight out of the thing and add some darks. The darkest purple here and there. Okay, and there's the lavender. So we've got leaves, we've got the little ferny thing, we've got a rose and a rosebud, and we have some lavender.